The Indian Ocean lies between the Atlantic Ocean and Asia to the north and east, Australia and the Pacific Ocean to the east, Africa to the west, and it is bordered to the south by the Antarctic Ocean. The geographical location of the Indian Ocean lies in being a crossroads for trade exchange between Africa and Asia, and this is why it made it a theater of conflicts, but no country could control it until the 19th century, when Britain occupied most of the countries bordering it, especially India and Australia, African beaches and the coasts of the Arabian Peninsula. What are the most important facts about the Indian Ocean? Have you ever seen these facts? The most important facts about the Indian Ocean. 26 Space. The area of the Indian Ocean is approximately 73,440,000 square kilometers, bordered on the north by Asia, on the west by Africa, on the east by Australia, and on the south by the Antarctic Ocean, and its width is 7,600 kilometers between Africa and Australia. 25 Size. The Indian Ocean is the third largest body of water in the world, covering nearly one-fifth of the Earth's surface. 24 Deepest point. The deepest point in the Indian Ocean is the Sunda Trench, also known as the Java Trench. This point is located near the southern part of Java in Indonesia, and its depth is about 25,344 feet. 23 Ocean spread. The continued melting of snow in Antarctica caused the Indian Ocean to expand by about 20 centimeters each year, which contributed to a huge increase in the water load around the world, and caused a huge increase in its volume, with an estimated volume of 92,131,000 cubic kilometers. 22 Ocean temperature. The Indian Ocean is one of the warmest oceans, due to its tropical location, and the rates of ocean temperature rise are very high and rapid, as a result of several reasons, including climatic changes, rising global temperatures, and global warming. 21 Chemical properties of the waters of the Indian Ocean. The waters of the Indian Ocean contain high percentages of hydrocarbons, whether in floating or dissolved form, and its waters have a maximum negative water balance, and the highest and lowest levels of salinity of water in the world were found in the Indian Ocean. 20 The existence of a mountain range in the heart of the ocean. The Indian Ocean contains a mountain range known as the 90 East Ridge, dividing the western and eastern regions of the Indian Ocean, and this name is due to the location of this mountain range in the middle of the eastern hemisphere, next to the 90th meridian. 19 Trenches. The Indian Ocean contains the fewest number of trenches among the oceans, but it contains the second largest trench in the world, which is known as the Java Trench, which extends from Sumatra to the Nicobar and Andaman Islands. 18 Seamounts. The Indian Ocean includes a large group of seamounts, which are extinct volcanoes and submarines, and most of these mountains are located near the Seychelles Islands, and Reunion near the India Basin. Scientists were able to discover that the origin of the Indian Ocean is more complex compared to the oceans found in the rest of the world, as the Indian Ocean was formed during the disintegration and collision of the ancient southern continents, which are the continent of Gondwanaland, the continent and Eurasia, and they believe that the Indian Ocean was formed about 36 million years ago. Year. 16 Ocean frontier debate. Scientists and geographers debate the southern boundary of the Indian Ocean. Some see the Indian Ocean extending south to the coast of Antarctica, while others see the waters near Antarctica as part of the Antarctic Ocean. 15 Important link. The Indian Ocean connects 4 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. 14 The Lost Continent. In recent years, scientists have been able to identify the remains of a lost continent that was located in the Indian Ocean, and it has been called the undiscovered landmass, Mauritius. 13 Rivers that flow into the ocean. A group of large rivers flows into the Indian Ocean, including the Zambezi River, which is located in the state of Zambia, is about 2,574 kilometers long, and is characterized by its natural diversity. The Yalat-Tsangpo River, which comes out of China, is about 500 kilometers long, and the depth of this river is about 6,000 meters, and it is considered one of the largest medicines available around the world. The Shatt al-Arab River flows out of Iraq and flows first into the Persian Gulf and then into the Indian Ocean. The Juba River is located in Somalia, and it is one of the rivers that flow directly into the Indian Ocean. The Ganges River is found in India, and it is worth mentioning that the Ganges does not flow directly into the ocean, but rather flows first into the Bengali Ocean and then into the Indian Ocean. 12. It includes the largest volcanic plateau. Kerguelen Plateau, located in the southern part of the Indian Ocean, is one of the largest volcanic plateaus on the Earth's surface.